Hey guys, today it's Layla here, and today I want to have bangs.
I'm gonna put your hair in a ponytail.
Why put it in a ponytail?
Because I saw it on the internet. So what I'll do is I'll ask. Mom's having a hard time finding it. Finding the tools. Not in there. Not in there. Oh, there it is. Found it.
I am going to get my third part cut and have bangs.
So what we'll do is we'll see how thick we want them to be.
It looks cute so far. I could see a little bit.
Where's your nose? Right here. Where's your nose? We're gonna get you a straight part right down the middle. So now we're gonna do a line right there. We're gonna do a line right there. Making a triangle. And pull this back. Yeah. So let me make another line. Do you think this is thick enough, or do you think we should do more?
I think we should do a little bit more. I think this is good enough now.
Okay, so that feels pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a straightener. So this is what we got going on so far. And so we'll cut these bangs, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you ready for it?
Yeah.
All right.
That looks so cute.
I'm gonna start right down here at your nose. Look, we've got your hair. So right now it's starting to go this way. Are you feeling good about it so far? Because if you want to stop, this is when we stop. If you decide like, oh, I don't want bangs, this is the time to stop before it gets too short. You want to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go a little bit more. Put that right there. Where's those scissors? I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see if that got any shorter. Did just a little bit. I'm gonna do this side.
Looks a little bit like Tinkerbell.
Oh my goodness, you're right.
Because Tinkerbell has that kind of hairstyle.
Yeah. How are we feeling?
A little bit more. So it doesn't get in the way of my
Mm-hmm. A little bit more.
You could do a tiny bit more.
A tiny bit more. That's where we're going with it. Then I'm gonna come over on these sides. Look at the little Layla. This is fun.
It may seem satisfying to you, right?
It does feel satisfying. Is it satisfying to you? Brr. Let's see.
I think it looks a bit beautiful.
Okay, let's pull down her hair and see how we feel.
It looks like Hermione.
Oh my goodness. Is it too long in your eyes?
No, it looks good. I think we should cut the back of my hair. It will look even more beautiful.
Oh, your dad would kill me. He would absolutely kill me. Okay, so let's stop right there. And we'll kind of go with this.
I feel like cutting the back of my hair will make me look more prettier.
You know, I think it's always an adventure when you get a haircut. That's it, that's bangs. So what we'll do is now we'll style it. Do you think we should style it? We should totally style it.
The braids looks beautiful.
Aww.
I like the new things you got. I think we should keep it this style for forever.
It's really great, like, it's looking really great. You feeling it? Okay. All right. What do you think?
Look at it. Thank you, Mom, for giving me bangs. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.